Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing "That Should Be Me" by Justin Bieber. He recently had a concert. I think yes, no wait, October 30th. Okay, he had a concert on October 30th, and I didn't get to go. It was in my town. I'm not gonna say because I don't want no doctors. But he had a concert in my town, and I didn't get to go. But yeah, my cats are over there like trying to mate, and they're both males. You should still watch this. Let me see. Wait. My black cat is trying to hump my other cat. He was grabbing the back of his neck and trying to hump him. I'm serious. Look at that. Look at that right there. He's trying. Look. There you seen it. Anyway, there you seen it. Gay cats everywhere, man. That should be me holding your hand. Sorry, I can't focus. That should be me holding. It's hilarious. He's like, give me your booty. No, you fucker, I'm not good. Sorry. Oh, God. Alright. Well, now that I know my cat is bisexual. It's alright, because I am too. It's all good. He can be like his mommy. He's licking him. Porno videos in my room. Anyway, I'll do this another time. Goodbye. Oh yeah, I gotta do my signature sign off. Kisses.